Do you know the power of words? The words we speak, words we think, words we talk, or listen to the other people's words have a powerful hypnotic effect on you. Hypnotic language for success. My friend, I'm doing a lot of training since 1977. I'm a mind coach, and I find out that everybody knows that positive words are positive words, very powerful. But when I started working with the sports people, I find out the power of the words. Every word has a hypnotic power, whether it is negative or whether it is a positive. So my friend, I have created a very powerful workshop, Hypnotic Language for Success. Every word has a power. 11-day WhatsApp workshop where you will learn, it's a video course, you will learn step by step how the words works, and you will experience the power of the words yourself during the workshop. And I'll give you a lot of my example with the sports, what I have done and how I find out the words are so powerful. In fact, I work with the top level sportsmen. When I listen to their interview, I can tell you what is going to happen tomorrow morning, almost what is going to happen, and I'm 99% correct because I know when they speak what happened in their mind, what the thing get programmed in their subconscious mind, and everything happen unconsciously later on. Now it's 11-day course. You are going to learn the power of the words. Each word has a power. You're going to experience it. Then you will learn when you talk to yourself how it affects you. And now during this workshop, I can take you some of the clipping to my live training programs where I have done this experiment, and you will experience yourself. Then you will learn how the good words affect you, how the bad words affect you, not even yours, the other people's words affects you, and not even their words if they don't speak. They think about you negatively or positively, have an effect on you, my friend. Listen carefully, it's the most powerful thing you will learn. You will learn how to protect yourself. Plus, you will learn how to change your belief using the power of words and words to be avoided. Then another thing, the power of question is very, very important. You will learn how you can ask yourself the right question to achieve what you want in your life. Yes, quickly and easily. This is an advanced person. Then you have some sample question. Plus, you will learn how to change negative word to positive word easily and very comfortably. And when you start changing it one by one, you'll find that your life is moving towards success, and you become more and more powerful, and you start attracting right people at the right time in your life. My friend, this is a very powerful workshop. I can't tell you exactly, I can't express to you. I'm so excited doing this workshop because I use, when a sports person comes to me, the first thing which I do is change the words they speak, and immediately things have changed completely for them, immediately. So you can also change your words and change your life, and you can use this hypnotic language of success, the words and sentences and phrases which you will learn in this workshop. You can change your life completely. This is an 11-day workshop. It's a WhatsApp workshop. That means once you join this workshop, once you register for the workshop, when you enroll for the workshop, we will add you in a main WhatsApp group so that once every day for the next 11 days, except Sundays and holidays, you will get 11 working days video course with lot of handouts will be available to you. You can download and practice them. It's an 11-day workshop. First day you will get a lessons at 9 p.m. in the night, and after that every day between around 6 o'clock we will send you the video lessons, and once you get the video lesson you can watch anytime at your convenience. You don't need to be online because this is a WhatsApp workshop. And then at the end of the workshop we'll give you a Google Drive link so you can download the whole course and practice at your convenience and master the hypnotic language of success words. Words are very, very powerful, my friends. So register right now, enroll right now, and I'm sure you want to change your life. Once you attend this workshop and start practicing, your life will, go to another level. You become successful, more successful, not only in your business, your life and your relationship. Plus, anywhere in your life, if you are a sports person, fantastic. If you are a businessman, you will know the right word will attract you more customers. So the life will change completely. The fee normally for this workshop we charge more than 5,000 rupees, 5,000 plus 900 GST, 5,900. But now it is a WhatsApp workshop, it is doing it online. There is a very special discounted offer. It is not even 2000, it is only 1000 plus GST. That comes to 1180 only, 1180. If 180 is the GST, 1000 is the fees. So you can register and enroll using Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay, the number given below. And if you want to use your credit card, you can go to the website link there, or you can go to the Ledger Pay button there. You can make the payment through Ledger Pay using your credit card. Remember to send us the screenshot on the number given below, the screenshot number, not the number where you make the payment. And once you make the payment, send us the screenshot, we'll add you in the main group, and then see you on the course on the day of the workshop at 9 p.m. The date is there below. Check if the workshop is happening right now, you can register immediately. And then see you on the day of the workshop at 9 p.m. Thank you very much and all the best.